Today we are reviewing Google Ads account. So let's dive in. Let's start off with the overall campaign things. So the cost for the last 30 days is around $4,000. Cost per conversion is $57. 67 conversions are there. So let's look at the goals and conversion settings. Okay, so submit lead form is the primary action, which is fine. All conversion value has been given, which is okay. That's no issue there. Phone call lead, calls from ads, website phone calls, business profile calls. The only thing that I can see over here is that all of the actions have been marked as primary, which could be confusing for Google Ads. So only one action could be marked as primary in each goal. So the submit lead form, this action is primary, this is fine. In phone call lead, only calls from ads and website phone calls should be marked as primary. All other should be marked as secondary. Then for contact, clicks to call should be marked as primary. All others should be marked as secondary, so that the Google is hyper focused on optimizing for the primary actions. Get directions, I'm not sure why this is being used, because this HVAC company visits customers, and the customer doesn't need to know the direction to their office. So I don't think our campaign should optimize towards this action. This action could be removed altogether, otherwise you should mark it as secondary. Engagement should be marked as secondary. Local actions and local actions menu views, these both of these should be marked as secondary as well. Other than that, the goals are fine. Then let's look at the campaigns. So currently two campaigns are running. One is for furnace, called Furnace Broad, and the other one is PMax Local Maps. Let's look at the first one. This is fine, the details are fine, budget is fine. Maximize conversions, target CPA is $100. This is also good. Other than that, I don't see anything. Uh, Regarding the locations, the campaign is currently targeting Ottawa only, but from where I can see, I've seen on the website that the company targets the Ottawa suburbs as well. So you should add, I think, additional suburb cities should be added over here. All the cities where the company serves its customers should be added over here, or maybe you can target a radius around the head office of the company. Other than that, it is fine. Let's move on to the ad groups. There are total 11 ad groups. Most of them have single keywords or 2, 3 keywords. Uh, I think this needs working, because most of these ad groups can be combined into a single ad group for easier management, and the data could be accumulated in a single ad group for Google to optimize properly. Like for example, we can group all the furnace repair related ad groups together. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and maybe furnace maintenance as well. So all of the furnace related ad groups should be combined into one, so that the data could be accumulated, and you can play with the keywords in the ad copy. You can mention all the keywords in your ad copy to optimize the ads. Other than that, this looks fine. Let's move on towards the keywords. Okay, most of the keywords are high intent, but some keywords are not that high intent and may contain dual intent as well. So residential heating repair, this may be a dual intent keyword. We'll have to see the search terms and other things to verify it, because someone trying to repair the residential heating by themselves can also search for this keyword. HVAC services companies near me, that's fine. Furnace repair. This is also a dual intent keyword. Someone trying to find a do it yourself tutorial may also search using these keywords. So the furnace repair could be searched by a person who's trying to do it by themselves or looking for a professional as well. So this needs to be tightened because it's not so much high intent. HVAC repair near me is high intent. HVAC maintenance service near me is high intent. Air condition installation, this is also high intent somewhat. Air condition repair, this is also dual intent. Furnace tune up near me, this is fine. Furnace repair service is it's fine as well. All of them are broad match, so that is fine. But with broad match, the case is that you need to tighten your search term reports and do search negative keyword maintenance every few days, so that the broad match doesn't bring in spam keywords or junk data. All right, so there are 35 keywords, so let's see how many keywords are there as well. Okay, let's focus on enabled as well. Emergency furnace repair Ottawa, this is good. Gas furnace repair near me, this is also fine. Furnace maintenance, this is dual intent, not so much high intent. It needs to be changed or updated. Gas furnace repair, this should also be updated. Other than that, this is fine. In fact, all of these location based keywords could be added into a single ad group, and you can add dynamic location insertion in the headlines to manage all of these keywords. Okay, the quality scores are also low for some of the keywords. You can work on these key quality scores to increase them, bring them to at least 7. Otherwise, at least 5 is also fine. Okay, let's see search term reports. Okay, I can see the terms on which the clicks have been received. So there are a lot of junk search terms that have received the clicks as well. HVAC is a very generic term, not high intent. HVAC Ottawa may be high intent. HVAC near me is high intent. Wolseley Ottawa is, I think, the competitor of something or a brand name. Modern Niagara Ottawa, this is also a competitor, I guess. Delta Force Mechanical, this should also be, looks like a competitor as well. So the negative keyword term needs to be done on every second day or at least twice a week to spare out these junk keywords. I can see lots and lots of junk keywords over here, low intent, and because broad match always brings in these type of junk keywords and extra non-relevant search terms. So what you can do is that either tighten your keyword match types, either change it to phrase match or exact match, uh, which should not be recommended, but you should do the negative keyword management every other day, so that these junk keywords are spared out. Junk search terms are excluded. And also, I think you should be using negative keyword lists. If you're not, let's see if you're using any negative keyword lists or not. Yeah, there is no negative keyword list. So you should create a negative keyword list so that all of the negative keywords are excluded in one go from the account, so that all the campaigns can benefit from the centralized negative keyword list. Okay, let's go back to the campaigns. Then let's look at the landing pages and ads. Let's go to the ads first. So all of the ads have strength average or poor. This needs to be improved. This should be improved. At least the ad strength should be good, and if you can get to excellent, that would be great. But at least add relevant headlines and descriptions to make it good. Let's look at the landing pages. So I think all of these landing pages are going to the same landing page, which is the heating primary major landing page, parent landing page for heating services. But I can see that there are specific dedicated landing pages for furnace repair and furnace installation. So each ad group should take the user to their specific landing page for high quality score and high end message to add relevance. This page is more suitable to be added to the ads. And other than that, right now the website, the users are being directed to the main website, uh, which may reduce conversion rates. So a recommended practice for such type of businesses is that you should create a dedicated landing page without the menu and the navigation. Maybe add some anchor based navigation on that landing page, but a standalone landing page works better. And then you can add some offer, some discount, anything that can entice the user to convert, that is better. So there are two things that could be done over here. One, take the user to the specific service landing page, not the parent page. And the other, try to create some landing pages, dedicated landing pages, uh, which are standalone and which do not allow the user to navigate away from that specific landing page. And no external links should be there like this and other menu links and other emails. Only one CTA should be there, like either the phone call or the form submission. And apart from that, the form is too long. All of these fields should be hidden, and then you can just ask for the name. No need for two name fields, just first name. Reduce the fields to as minimum as possible, maybe 2 or 3 max. Just ask for their name, phone and email. That should be fine. And after that, you can call back the user. Once the user fills that, you can do a follow-up call and then ask the relevant details like address, which service they need, and stuff, other stuff. And for CAPTCHA, you are using reCAPTCHA v2, which asks the user to check this box. There's a new version of reCAPTCHA, that is version 3, which is a score based, and user doesn't have to mark anything or select anything. You should use that to reduce the friction, because what happens is that whenever user sees lots and lots of fields that they need to fill in, there's a natural resistance, and then the users may drop off. So these are my observations regarding the landing page. Let's move on to the next part, the performance. The performance on mobile is not good. It's only 43. It should be improved to at least 90% to get good results from Google and lower CPCs. So you should look at that and improve it. And let's see how the desktop is performing. Desktop is somewhat better, but it should also be around 90% in the green zone, so that the performance issues are resolved. So you need to implement the performance improvements as mentioned on this report. I'll share it with you. You should implement all of these recommendations so that the performance is improved. You can also implement caching on the website, maybe connect it with Cloudflare, a CDN, or a caching service to improve the performance. Now let's look at the next campaign, which is Performance Max. So the Performance Max campaign is optimizing for directions. It is optimizing currently for the clicks to call and directions. So clicks to call is fine, but local actions direction is not good in my opinion. Uh, as I said earlier, this company visits the customers. The customers don't need to visit them. So if someone is clicking on the directions button on Google Maps, this campaign is counting it as a conversion and it is optimizing towards that, which is not the case that we want to optimize for. Instead of this, we should optimize for form submissions and other phone related actions, call related actions like calls from ads, website calls from website, and lead form submissions. So I think this campaign needs improvement in its goals. Other than that, for asset groups, the ad strength is average. It should be excellent. Uh, Taking it to excellent should not be an issue. Add more images, add more descriptions, add more headlines, and then you can basically manage it easily. If you can add more assets, like for example, you should add more images and more videos, then your ad strength could be improved. So this is the recommendation on this. With respect to assets, in both the campaigns, a review of assets needs to be done because I can see some site links which are not relevant to the campaigns. Like for example, services is fine, contact is not needed over here. Whenever someone lands on the landing page, they can contact you directly from there. About is not relevant over here. People will click and be taken to the about us page, which is not relevant to what we are trying to advertise and convert the users about. So you can remove it. If someone wants to learn about the company, they can click on the about button on the website by themselves. This should not be here. Other than that, assets are fine. And the images are also here. Let's look at business logo. Business logo is not here. You should add business logo over here as well, so that the latest logo is displayed in the ads. Other than that, this campaign is fine, and it should bring in results. The major issue with this campaign is that the goal is not correct. The goal should be changed to either form submissions and clicks to call. So that's it for my review, and I hope these recommendations help you in your performance improvement. Thank you. Bye bye.